What's up, guys? It's Ed here from Geek, and as you can see, I'm in a different office. If you look up there, this is my son's old room, and we're actually switching rooms. So that is stickers on the wall that are actually taking the paint off. So those aren't coming off. I've got a big piece of wall art coming. Should be here in about a week or two. I think you guys will get a kick out of it when you see it. So that'll be covering up that pretty soon. But I wanted to do a quick video today. It is August 30th, and we're coming into the end of summer here. And I'm not the official end of summer, but the end of summer from a business perspective. September tends to be a very busy month for us because people kind of come out of hibernation a little bit and want to start rocking and rolling. So what I want to say to you is hit your revenue generating activities hard. You should be doing that anyway, but particularly in September. So what do I mean by revenue generating activities? I mean anything that's going to generate interest and bring in revenue, as opposed to busy work, trying to keep yourself busy, making yourself feel like you're working really hard, or the fulfillment of things. So some examples. Shuffling some papers on your desk, not revenue generating activities. Building a campaign, not revenue generating. Landing page, not revenue generating. Customer support, while it's necessary and you do need to do that, is not revenue generating. Revenue generating would be stuff like reaching out to strategic partners to set up an alliance. It would be cold calling. It would be sending out direct mail. It would be posting on LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram regarding your business, not just some personal stuff. It would be direct messages on all of those platforms as well: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. It would be cold LinkedIn outreach campaigns. It would be any sort of blog posting that you're doing, any sort of video content that you're doing, syndication of that content. Anything that is going to potentially bring in revenue is a revenue generating activity. Putting out lawn signs, putting out a billboard, advertising in a newspaper, any sort of strategic alliance or joint venture that you could work out, posting in niche specific or location specific Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups with valuable content. Those are revenue generating activities. Those are the stuff that you need to be doing every day to push your business forward. So you want to allocate a good portion of your day towards revenue generating activities, and then a portion of your day towards the fulfillment of that business. If it's just you and you're doing both roles, you've got to allocate part of your day towards revenue, and you've got to allocate obviously part of your day towards the fulfillment of that. But it's super important. If you had to pick one of them, you'd want to go towards working on revenue generating activities, because you do that enough, you're going to be able to hire people or outsource to help you with the fulfillment side of things. So always work on the revenue generating activities. And here's a hard truth: a lot of times it's uncomfortable for people to pick up the phone. You know what? Let me back up. Additional revenue generating activities would be following up with leads in your pipeline, looking to close them, following up on proposals, going through a sequence to follow up and close things that are in the hopper to potentially close. Those are additional revenue seeking activities. And what I was saying is sometimes those are the hardest things for people to do because it makes them the most uncomfortable. But sometimes you got to do the most uncomfortable things and push through that in order to get to the place you want to be. It's like me going back to the gym. I played college football. I used to love going to the gym, and then had a good 15-year span where I hated it. And it's tough to get back in the gym. So I'm just easing my way back into lifting again, and just trying to get comfortable with it. Same thing for cold calling or having sales conversations or following up with leads in your pipeline or proposals out in your pipeline. It can be very uncomfortable for people. They don't know what to say. Train up on it. There's tons of good books on sales strategy. I think I've saved them until I'm blue in the face. New Sales Simplified, Selling Local Advertising by Claude Whitaker, New Sales Simplified by Mike Weinberg. Two awesome books. Power Phone Scripts helped me realize that all this is formulaic and people don't ask new questions. They just ask the same question with different variations. Once I was able to realize that, and I was able to start documenting what it was I was saying over and over again, life became a lot easier, because then I realized it was literally plug and play. Now, you don't need to sound like a robot, but there really aren't many new questions that get asked. It's the same stuff over and over again. A lot of people don't do those revenue generating activities because they're uncomfortable. So if you can push through that and get comfortable with being uncomfortable, you are going to make more money. Your business is going to do better, and it's going to make the fulfillment side easier because you can hire people to do that for you, but you can't hire without revenue. So it's kind of like this chicken and egg thing, and it always comes back to revenue generating activities. So I hope I harped on it enough. Pick up the phone, start making dials, start talking to people, start having sales conversations. And this isn't just agency life, this is business in general. Especially if you're an owner operator, you've got to allocate a portion of your day towards revenue generating activities, or you will go out of business. It's that cut and dry. All right, my name is Ed. I'm one of the founders here at Geek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency, and we specialize in lead gen for local businesses. We offer some management services for Google Ads. We offer some courses teaching Google Ads as well. Google Ads management, landing pages, how to get clients with direct mail. We'll have a cold calling course coming out soon, and then we've got our agency course, which is 2 more videos, and I'm done with that. If you guys need anything, drop a comment below, and that's it for today. Have a great day. Take care. Bye. Oh, I hope you finished August out awesome, and I hope you hit September really hard. Have a great day. Bye.